Hello everyone. In this section of the node operator manual, we're going to be moving our MyEtherWallet keystore file to a specific location within the Quantstamp node directory. In the previous section, we showed you how to set up Docker. Also, before we begin, keep in mind that all relevant links that you see throughout this video will be present within the YouTube video description. So now I'm going to open up my Finder, and here I'm in my home directory, and I'm going to go to my QSP node directory right here. And I'm going to open up the resources folder, and here I'm going to go in my keystore folder to default.json. I'm going to open it up with my favorite text editor, which is Visual Studio Code. If you would like to download this text editor, I'll include a link in the YouTube video description as well. So I'm going to open this. Okay, so we have one open now. Now I'm also going to go to my downloads, and I'm going to open up the JSON file that I downloaded from my EtherWallet, which contains my Ethereum account. And I'm also going to open it up with Visual Studio Code. So now a really quick and easy thing that I can do right here is just copy all this text, and keep in mind it's pretty long. Move it over to default.json and paste it right here. And then once I'm finished that, I'm going to save it. And that's it for this section, but before I end the video, I just want to show you one more alternative way that we can do this. What you can do is rename this file, your Ethereum account, default.json. Now we can move back over here to our keystore file, delete our keystore file. And again, that was the original empty one. And now we're just going to move this over here. And there you go. Those are two separate ways that we can move our Ethereum account into the appropriate location within the QSP protocol node directory. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in our next video.